The calendar app makes it easy to share a calendar with only people that you choose, or as a public calendar available to anyone that has the link to it. I'm going to share my work calendar with Drew. To do so, I need to tap on the info button for the calendar I want to share here in the calendars list. Then, under Shared With, add a person. This will work just like adding an invitee. I'm going to share this with Drew. Tap on Drew in the invite list, and we have an Allow Editing toggle. With this activated, Drew will be able to add, remove, and edit events on the shared calendar. Deactivate this, and Drew will only be able to view the events on the shared calendar. Tap the checkmark button, and Drew will get the shared calendar invite. From his calendar inbox, he can either join the calendar or decline the invite. Let's join it. Now in Drew's calendars list, we can see the shared work calendar. If we quickly add a new event from Drew's iPhone, it will be reflected on the iPad as well. So both those with access to the shared calendar can add, remove, and edit any of the events within it because the Allow Editing toggle is activated in the calendar. Next, let's make a new calendar here on the iPad and call it Travel. From its info panel, we can make this a public calendar. Doing so creates a web link that we can share with individuals or paste into an email, social media post, or on a website. Anyone with this link can then subscribe to my travel calendar. I'll share this with Drew via messages. He just needs to tap on the link to subscribe and add it into his calendar app. When subscribed to a calendar, you will not be able to edit or add events, only view the events added by the owner, which is the case as Warren over on the iPad. From the account menu here, we can choose to only view the subscribed calendar on this device, or select iCloud, and the subscribed calendar will appear under your iCloud account in Calendar on all your devices. If the owner of the shared calendar adds an event, such as spring break, that will then be visible to anyone subscribed to the calendar. To stop the calendar from being publicly available via its link, simply turn off the public calendar toggle.